In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. All you need to do is open Gallery app and decide if you wanna delete your photos from Photos or Albums category. Either way, just hold one and tap on this icon at the top right corner to select all of your photos from Photos section. To keep some of them, click on the chosen one at the bottom right corners on the check marks. And to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete them from albums though, pick an album, hold any photo, and this time you can tap on Select All at the top right corner of each section, or use the same icon at the top right corner. Either way, tap on the photos you wanna leave, and to get rid of the rest, tap on the same icon as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!